Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Azure Purview data mapping in catalog, detailed guide step by step. To enable Azure Purview data mapping in catalog, start by signing into the Azure portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Purview instance you want to work with. If you haven't created an Azure Purview account yet, click on Create a Resource and search for Purview. Provide the necessary details for your new Purview account, including subscription and resource group. After the account is set up, access it by clicking on its name in the Azure dashboard. In the Purview Studio, select the Data Map option from the left-hand navigation pane. To start mapping your data, click on Scan Management. Here, you can create a new scan by selecting New Scan. Choose the data source you want to register, such as Azure Blob Storage or SQL database. Once selected, provide the required details to create a connection to your data source. Make sure to configure the authentication method based on the type of data source you are connecting to. After setting up the connection, click on Next to continue. Configure the scan settings, including the scan name, scan frequency, and any relevant filters. You can also set up notifications to keep track of the scan progress. Once everything is configured, review your settings to ensure they meet your needs. Click on Create to finalize the new scan. After the scan is created, it will appear in the Scan Management list. To run the scan, select it and click the Run option. Monitor the scan's progress in the Purview Studio dashboard. Once the scan is complete, review the results in the Data Map section. You can now explore the data catalog to find cataloged assets. Leverage the search functionality to locate specific assets within your data catalog. Explore details such as lineage, classifications, and other metadata related to your assets. Regularly update your scan configuration to ensure the data map remains current. Feel free to set up additional scans for different data sources as needed. With these steps, you have successfully enabled data mapping and cataloging in Azure Purview. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.